Hi students, welcome to another video, and in this video we are talking about types of managers. As you are aware, there are many different types of managers in the organization with varying the tasks and responsibilities in this section, and in this video we are talking about the two main categories. The first one is the level of the managers, and the second one is responsibilities of managers. Level of management. In order to illustrate the different level of manager, exhibit 1 to 2 depict the organizational chart of the medium-sized chemical company, and exhibit 1 to 3 isolate the manufacturing functions of the company. In the 1 to 3 levels of management are shown. These levels usually are called the executive, middle, and first line management. First of all, we discuss the executive managers. Someone termed top management. This small group of the individuals make up the highest level of the management. Managers in these positions are responsible for interacting with the representative of the external environment, just like financial institutions, governmental and political figures, important suppliers and customers, and also establishing organizational goals, plans, strategies, working mechanism, broad operating policies, and hold the scenario of the guideline for organizations. While there is a variety across different organizations, typical title include the president, chief executive officer, executive vice president, senior vice president, and vice president. So on the other hand, when we talk about middle order or middle level managers, number of different management levels are included within this category, such as the positions of general manager, plant manager, and operations superintendent managers. The responsibilities of the middle level managers including the translating executive orders into the operations, implementing the rules and plans, and directly supervising lower level managers. This is probably one of the most important management supervising level because it's a prime training ground for future executives, and it is at the center of the organization's activity. Third one is first line manager, characterized by such titles as sales manager, clerical supervisor, and lab supervisors also included. These managers are responsible for directing first line non-supervisory employees. Additional duties including the first line managers are evaluation of the day-to-day performance indicators such as the volume production, cost of the production, quality control, quality insurance, inventory and preventive maintenance, and also ISO standards maintenance. The majority of the management graduates will be on this level within the first 3 to 5 years of full-time employment. While after completing the levels of management, now move forward to the responsibilities of management. A second way of describing types of managers is to distinguish between the line and staff responsibilities. A line manager's responsibilities and activities have a direct impact on the product or services of the organization. In the company depicted in Exhibit 1 to 2, the marketing and the sales managers are considered line managers. A plant manager is also a line manager. A staff manager responsibilities and duties support the activities of the line managers. Examples are the managers of personnel, finance, research, and including the development and accounting. The personnel manager of the chemical plant for example, is responsible for the human resources of the facilities, including the identification of the plant staffing needs and selection, placement, and also the training of the newly hired employees. The third main responsibility of managers is the company compliance with federal guidelines on safety, anti-discrimination, and pay policies. Fourth, tenants of the plant compensations, employees' benefits, and employer relation function. We will discuss in more detail in the difference and similarities between the line and staff managers in the further videos. So, the manager's job at the age of almost, it is the history and functions of the managerial function. We have presented the process of management as involving planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the all organization. This process, what we will term managerial functions, is outlined in detailed in exhibit 1 to 4 level. Managerial function will be examined as the first of the three components that make up the manager jobs, functions, skills, and roles. The boxed insert above illustrate these components in the Ninfa Lorenzano, including them all in her definitions of what make her a successful manager. Functions, skills, and roles will not only be discussed at length in the few videos, but our study of them will also serve as the basic foundation for this purpose of all the kind. So guys, all these information related to the managerial types and the responsibilities in order to enhance the performance of any organization.